Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this InoKraft Heated Jacket. So this is going to be a product overview video. So I'm going to show you all the features that it has. I'll give my overall feedback. So let's get into it. So this is the heated jacket. You can see it's nice and comfortable. It has 8 different pockets. You see one on your sleeve, 2 here. You got zipper pockets on the inside. You have another pocket here, this pocket here, and then there's even a pocket on the inside. So this is how the jacket looks. It has some detachable hood, and even has a brim right here on top right here. This is how the back looks. So this is a size medium. I'm 5'10" at 150 pounds, so this fits perfectly. Nice sleeve length. It's not too tight, not too loose. I can even put a thick sweater on the inside of here also, just in case if I need it. This is how the inside looks. So here's your other pocket here. The jacket is made very well. On the sleeves, you have a Velcro, so if you want to make it tighter, so that way snow doesn't get inside. On the bottom here, you can even make the waist tighter by pulling this elastic band. So that way it fits your hips better, so that way the wind doesn't come inside. This is where the battery is stored. So it uses 2 4,000 amp batteries. So this jacket uses the swap-on batteries right here. So all you do is just put both of the batteries in like so, and then it heats up. This jacket uses the nanotech technology, so it heats up quickly and uniformly. So once you plug it in and you turn it on, right here, the red is the high heat. If you press it again, it goes to medium. Press it one more time, it goes to low. If you long press it, it turns it off. So there's 4 different heating elements on this jacket. You got 2 on your chest, 1 on your neck, and 1 big one on the back. So once you turn on the battery, you immediately feel the heat coming to your chest, your neck, and your back. The zipper system is very smooth, so it's not going to snag. And it even has the Velcro right here just to enclose the zipper. And it even has a snap button on the bottom, so that way your jacket stays closed at all times when you need it closed. It covers my neck properly, so that way the wind and the snow does not get inside my neck. This jacket provides all day warmth with the heating element, and even if you don't use it with the heating element. So this blocks out the wind, is water resistant, so when it rains, if it's snowing, it's not going to seep inside your clothes. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great heated jacket. I like how comfortable it feels. I like the material that it's made of. I also like how it has 8 different pockets on here, so I could store all my different items in the different pockets. I like how the battery heats up very nicely and quickly. I also like how it has the 4 different heating zones on the chest, on the neck, and on the back. I also like how the hood has this little brim, and it comes off if I don't want to use it. The zipper system is nice and smooth, so it's not going to get snagged. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.